You're crazy.
Videotape too.
A video of what, ma'am? Show it to me because I have.
You mean you run a light?
Oh, that was after you tried to run into me, right? Oh my God, lady, what is wrong?
Wait.
What is wrong with you? You're a Karen, huh? Are you gonna Karen out on me? Come on, Karen. You're going on the.
Idiot.
I'm an idiot because you
ran a
wanted.
red light because you didn't want to be passed.
That's what I did.
That's what you did.
That's why you freaked out and tried to hit my car? You didn't come close, huh? I had to swerve out of the way, didn't I?
That's why you tried to run me off the road.
I didn't try to. How would that? I was in front of you. How did I run you off the road?
Microsoft is not giving their AI team Microsoft machines, they're giving them Apple Macs. Yes, the entire Microsoft team involved with AI are using Macs. Here, the Microsoft was recognized the superior system that Mac, the M-series chips are using. So that's actually pretty fun what they say. Yeah, I've known this since 1988 when my son first started using Apple Macs.
Challenged because simply declaring an emergency does not grant you the right to supersede someone's rights. Within certain circumstances, we have tolerated the suspension of rights, or I should say, the government infringement upon rights because of dire measures. Someone said this, I can't remember who. If you allow a government to enact a decree
No, in the rent also. Ah, Tokyo Drift! Hit the pool! Ah, fuck.
I think I did a. several times, then righted himself and began skidding on his back, picking up speed towards the beltway below.
Dude, what are you doing?
Above him,